Okay, Daniel, I've heard the term 3-point lighting for ages. So talk to me about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've talked about front light and we've talked about backlight. 3-point lighting is just kind of a combination of those two things. So we've got video specific lighting because we're in here shooting a video. To show this better, we're going to kill that real quick. So guys, go ahead and kill those Kinos for me. So I've got front light on me right now that we focused earlier. What we specifically have is 2 ellipsoidals. These are about 45 degrees up from where I'm at now, and not quite, but close to 45 degrees out to each side. So one's sort of over here, one's over here. We also have a backlight right behind me.
Okay, confession.
Yes.
I always thought 3-point lighting was 1, 2, 3.
From the front.
Yes.
Right. No, traditionally when people are talking about it, 3-point lighting is 2 from the front, 1 from the back. And there's other variants of this, like, I mean, it's not as common, but you hear people talking about 2-point lighting or 1-point lighting, that sort of thing.
Okay.
You know, let's even break this down to a little bit simpler version. We didn't prepare for this, but can we kill both my backlight and one of my front lights, please? That gives you a little bit more of a representation of what's going on with me right now. That is one part of my front light that, you know, so I'm lit on this side,
Yep.
and I'm sure very shadowed on this side. Let's go to the other front light, please. Pull this one out as we're doing it. Now, that's it. So that's 2 points of lighting. Pull that down, give me backlight, please. Now we're at the 3rd point.
Okay.
Combining all back together. Now I'm a well-lit subject.
3-point lighting. That's
Good point.
pretty easy.
Good point.